Hi, babe. Oh, what happened to your cheek, Phoebe? Tell us what happened. Tell us. What happened?
Fell.
How? And why? What happened, Phoebe? How?
Because I fell off this big bed.
How big was it?
This big.
That big? Did it hurt, Phoebe? Oh, my poor
It was
baby.
as big as a cloud.
Big as a cloud?
It was this big.
Oh my gosh. I'm so glad you didn't break your little cheekbone.
Yeah, we love your cheeks.
Whoa! Phoebe, I love you.
Dad, can I ride your back so you can take?
Okay.
Come on, Jay.
Okay. Come on, dude.
He sends up to Dad.
Say hi, Mom. Tell her what we're doing. Tell her our adventure, dude.